How to create an image gallery to your WordPress. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. It is actually built in the WordPress editor, so it's going to be completely easy and simple to do. So first, you just want to go to either posts or pages or whichever one you actually want to add the image gallery to. So I'm just going to go to pages, and let's say I just want to add it to this sample page. So I'm just going to click on edit. And once we are in here, we simply just want to add the gallery block. So you can just click anywhere where you actually want to add it, and you simply click on this plus icon, or you can just do /gallery and you should be able to also find it from here. Either way, it's going to work, so it's completely fine. So once you actually select the gallery, you are going to get two options, either upload or use the media library, which you already have. But I'm just going to click on upload, and then you are just simply going to choose the images that you want to upload. Also, GIFs or GIFs work as well, so I'm just going to select a few of them. By the way, you can just feel free to hold Control or Command to select multiple. Once you're done, simply click on open, and there you have it. You have your gallery here. It's just going to take a little bit of time to load the rest of the images. And now we can feel free to adjust the gallery a little bit more. So we can just click on any image right here and then just click on this, which is select parent block gallery. Once we do that, we can just open up the side view here, and we are going to have a few options. For example, how many images that we want in one column, and also the resolution of the images, whether you want to crop the images to fit, and also you can change the aspect ratio, which I'm going to do, and make them all square. And you also have more things like animation type and so on, but those are the main stuff. Also, you can change the background color from here. You can just click on that and click on color and choose whichever color that you actually want to go for. You can even change the block spacing and borders if you want. And lastly, you can just feel free to actually move things around. So if you don't like this order, you can simply just move them around by dragging them and dropping them wherever you want. And you can just feel free to do the same thing for the rest of them. So this is pretty much how to add an image gallery to your WordPress site. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.